Dear ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to a short brief insight into our adventure of creating this structure. I hope you will enjoy this mental journey across our last weeks. But now enough of wasting time. Let's start the journey.
Starting out, we had very different ideas and approaches, but could quickly agree on a base curve that incorporates aspects from everyone's original idea, using triangles, squares, and rounded parts. The curve produced a body that is symmetrical to its diagonal but also varies depending on the direction of turn.
Deciding on the materiality, we were interested in creating a surface that would blend in with the cityscape but also stand out. The concrete connects to the surroundings, the wood gives the structure a warm element and brings a piece of nature into the city, and a strip of gold that catches the eye with its reflection and adds a touch of elegance. The materials also inspired the title of the project. All of the materials are extremely resistant to external influences. Concrete to fire, wood to pressure and weather, and gold to corrosion. Constructing the modules, we continued the more or less massive theme of the voxels, while also varying the density a bit to have options to choose from later in the building.
In our first aggregation, the idea was to build kind of a terrace that could be attached to a bigger structure or simply stand on its own. The floor is framed by the four towers which are connected by horizontal parts, making the space enclosed but open.
For this aggregation we were inspired by a tree, with the trunk connecting the four levels. The higher up the level, the smaller and less dense the foot gets. From each level you are looking out into a different direction.
Same as in our second aggregation, we were inspired by a tree. Here we made more trunks, which are connected by our floors. These floors are at a different level and grow in different directions and sizes. Together we made it bigger and more complex than in the aggregation. We hope you enjoyed our flashback from the last 5 weeks, and now we are hopefully watching to our future. Thanks for watching.